In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate HubSpot and create new subscription types to better manage your email marketing strategy. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with a choice of login options. For simplicity, let's go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. From here, select the Google account you wish to use for accessing HubSpot. Once logged in, it's time to dive into the settings. Head over to the main dashboard and look towards the top right corner again. Here, you'll find an intuitive interface that allows you to navigate with ease. You'll need to make your way to the settings area. Once you've found your way to the settings, glance over to the left panel and locate the Tools section. This is where you'll find the options necessary to tailor your HubSpot experience. Next, you'll want to click on Marketing within the Tools section. Don't worry, the platform is designed to guide you through these steps effortlessly. On the next screen, we need to set our sights on email, as this is where we'll configure the subscription types. Click on Email to move forward. Now, at the top of the screen, there's a tab labeled Subscription Types. Click on this tab to view and manage your subscription settings. You'll see an option labeled Create Subscription Type. Click on this to initiate the process of creating a new subscription. An essential part of this process is to set the language. This ensures that your communications match the expectations and preferences of your audience. Following this, you'll need to input a subscription name. This name should be meaningful and indicative of the content or purpose to help both you and your subscribers understand the type of emails they are opting into. To provide clarity to your subscribers, add a description for your subscription type. This brief but informative text should explain what subscribers will receive if they opt into this list, helping them make informed decisions about their preferences. Finally, with all the details filled in, it's time to save your work. Simply click on the Create button to finalize the creation of your new subscription type. And just like that, you've successfully set up an email subscription type in HubSpot. By following these steps, you enhance your ability to manage email lists effectively, ensuring that your communications are targeted and relevant. This not only improves engagement rates, but also fosters better relationships with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.